Hello, my beautiful wildflowers. How are you today? Alexis here with Modesty. I hope you guys are doing well. Well, it's kind of late tonight, but I just wanted to go ahead and open the Allure box that arrived today. And so if you're interested in seeing what's in here, please stay tuned. Okay, my beautiful wildflowers, here we go. I finally got my Allure box, and I know many of you have already gotten this, and I know Casey, you've gotten it, and I think, did I watch your unboxing? I think I did, if this was with your daughter, but I can't, for the life of me, I cannot remember what was in that box because there's so many boxes out there. And I also received my Kinder box, but I want to open that actually as part of our Monday skincare because that is a different box. And that is actually predominantly skincare. And I think that would be a great box to open on Skincare Monday too. It'll give us something to do as well. And I can use the products. Okay. And so without further ado, I'm going to go ahead and open this box. But in case you're not familiar with this box, this is a monthly subscription box. And even though it's supposed to have makeup as well as skincare, it tends to lean heavily on the skincare, okay? And also at one point this box was just $15 and it actually jumped up to $24, I believe. And but the thing is, I got in on it and I bought a 1 year subscription before it went up. So I kept the old price for the year, but once I finish, I don't think I'm going to keep it unless they do a dramatic 180 because of what I've been receiving. I haven't been really happy with it. For $15, I'm not going to complain. But if I was paying $24, yeah, I would complain. And I don't blame those of you that are out there paying that much money for a box that, it's not. I mean, especially that's like getting up in the prices comparatively to IPSY and Boxy, and you get a lot more products. So yeah. So anyway, so this box is supposed to have about 5 full-size products now. And so let me see. Let's see what we got in here. Like I said, I did. Oh, I remember this booklet though. When you open it up, there's like a booklet like this, and it has all the information. It always has a picture of a beautiful woman here, and inside it tells you about the products that is inside the box. Okay, and then so what I'll do is I will not look at this, and it's starting to bring back memories now that I'm seeing what's in the box, what it was. But I'll go ahead and unbox it for you one piece at a time. So let's get started with this. A lot of people didn't know what to do with this, and I kind of did research on it just so I would know. What this is this is a mini-me, and it has a kind of like a $30 gift card. And when you first see this, a lot of people will open it and just kind of throw this away and say, it's just another coupon, a $30 coupon. I really not interested in this nail thing, but you could get a whole set of nail stickers for this. I believe there's something for like $25 and some for $30. So, but you do have to pay your shipping if it's over $30. I mean, if it's $30, because then it doesn't cover the $30 doesn't cover it. But I think if you bought something for $25, that shipping is covered in that, okay? And the reason why they did it this way and not just throw it in a box is because these are actually personalized for how your fingers are shaped, so they could cut the mold, okay? And so what you do, on the back of it, there's directions. It says, step 1, scan the nails. Create an account and scan your nails on manime.com/allure. Okay, step 2, shop manis. Pick a mani from Allure exclusive gallery of nail art. Then they have some, that Allure has picked out, and I think those are the ones that are $25. And it says redeem the code, apply your discount code at checkout, and then after it gets to you, peel and wear. So they do send it to you. Somebody also thought that, well, what do? Print it yourself? No. You actually get it in the mail. And these are actually the patterns that is Allure specific. And I think those are the ones that you will get for $25 and not have to pay shipping, but I don't know that. You know, I don't wear nail art. I don't wear nail polish, but you know what? I'm just going to send away for it, because if it's included, you know, why not? I mean, it may not be perfect fit for somebody else, but I can always pass it on to my daughter. We have kind of a very similar hand. So yeah, so I'll pick out something that I think she would like, and I will go ahead and, yeah, I really like this one here, actually. This one here. Very nice. Geometric. Okay, so that's that. And that's a $30 coupon. So that does count as a full size thing. Okay, so that's that. Okay, next in the box is Saturday Skin. And this is Rub-a-Dub, it says. Here it is, full size. Take a look at it. And let's look at the bottle before I read it. Okay, let's open it. And here we go. Oh, it's nice. It's a very nice, aesthetically pleasing pink container. I know the light is really severe in here. I'm going to have to try to work with the lights in here so you guys can see better. And so let's see. Let's now read about it. And the only thing I don't like about reading about this stuff is it's written from the perspective of the person who actually used it or tried it. And so it's nothing, no claim but the companies or anything like that. So it says here, this is a Saturday Skin Rub-a-Dub Refining Peel Gel. Man, you know, this industry goes in like waves. I mean, when they're giving like foot soaks, they're giving foot soaks. Everybody is. And when they're giving peels, they're doing peels. And Paula's Choice just recently came out with a peel that equals The Ordinary. And I just saw that. Blue car. I just saw that in advertisement. So yeah. So now here's a peel. So according to this individual, her name is Sarah Hahn, senior commerce writer. She says, I've tried enough peels that left my face burning, so I am always on a hunt for a gentle one. That's where this Saturday Skin option comes in. It sweeps away dead skin cells with pineapple and contains papaya, which has vitamin A and C to further exfoliate and brighten. So, you know what? Peels burn. I'm sorry, Sarah, but peels burn. And it shouldn't like be like your face is on fire, but it does tingle and it does burn. And it's supposed to because it is acid you put it on your face, by the way, and you are removing the very thin first layer of your skin and the dead cells on the surface of your skin. And unless it burns a little bit, it's not working. It doesn't work, okay? And so, unless, you know, it's something that takes like weeks to, you know, exfoliate little at a time, then it shouldn't burn, okay? But this is a peel. Hello. Okay, so anyway, the price on this is $28, and where to buy it? You can buy it at Sephora. So it is $28. Okay. You know what? I will give it a try because I do like peels and I do weekly peels. And last week I actually videoed the Ordinary one. So yeah, I think I'll go ahead and maybe do that as part of the skincare day, one of these days. So yeah. And the next thing here is obviously not a full size, but obviously it comes with a coupon so you can buy it. And I am very familiar with this company. I used to use a lot of products from them. They are a French product, and you could say L'Occitane en Provence. And the reason why I know so much about it is because as part of my MBA, I actually did a case study on this company and how it actually was developed and how it was bought out and how they pushed the founder out of the creative design space, and you know how the board took over and all this whole stuff. So I clearly understand this company, and they do have good products. They do have good products. And now let's see. And this is a cream, and this is one thing I love about them is that they always have it sealed like with this like aluminum foil with their little name on there. Let's see if you can see that. Yeah, and so I like that. And their products are good, but they are heavily fragranced. That's the only thing. So I don't mind using their hand soap. Gosh, hand lotion and foot lotion. Love, love, love their foot lotion. So yeah. So, but this is pretty expensive, I know. Let's see. What does it say about it? So, all right. Where are you in here? L'Occitane en Provence. There we are. And okay, yes, the full bottle is $110. That's suspected. And what this is the, it's called the Divine Cream, and it is a face cream. And like I said, it does have fragrance, so I can tell you, even though it doesn't, I don't have a little box for it to read it, but I do, like I said, I do know the company and the products very well, and the whole basis of this company is the flowers from the Providence in France. That is like this everywhere is wildflowers everywhere. Okay, so yeah, that's that. And let's see what is next. You know, I gotta do this one because I've seen I just remember Casey and her daughter, they said, oh, this is supposed to grow. Oh, let's go to the bathroom. They actually took it to the bathroom. They put it under the water. The thing isn't doing anything. It's like it's not growing. It's like miniature, but so cute. And you know, I know people wish that they were bigger and larger size, a full size, but I actually enjoy these smaller ones because I do like to use them like around my eyes and, you know, around my nose. So yeah, it's okay. But let me see if it's a miniature of a larger sponge or it just comes like that. Let's see. This is $7. So I'm gonna say that's the usual, that's the norm. Okay, and let's see where to buy at basebluecosmetics.com. It is $7. It says it's technically a sponge, but this tiny teardrop feels like velvet. The pointed end is perfect for placing concealer in the tiny crevices around my eyes. Then I double the sponge tip and what? Oh, I douse the sponge tip in water and use it to bounce banana powder all over the concealer for a diffused, not cakey finish. I like that bounce. It's like boom, boom, boom. That's what I'm thinking. But I know, bounce. Yeah. Okay, that's that. What else is in here? Let's see. Oh yeah, this miniature thingy. It is so cute. The Beauty Crop. Okay, the Beauty Crop. And, you know, I'm not really sure if this is a full size or not. But I will go ahead and open it and let you know what it is. I believe it's a double-sided blush. And it is cute, though. I mean, it's a blush duo. I mean, aesthetically, it's, you know, very basic. It's something that it reminds me of you get from, you know, I don't know, drugstore stuff, you know, but not even, because drugstore stuff are starting to become really nice. Okay, here's a mirror. And it is a cream on one side and a powder on another. And this color is just so gorgeous. I mean, this is actually, I love this color. And you know, another thing you can do with this that, like, if you're using, let's say, a color story of this rose or mauve, well, you can take a cream like this, because it's so small to use as a blush, is you can use it as a primer for your eyeshadow, and it actually holds it. It usually, you know, tacks onto it. So I'm going to do that one of these days to show you guys. Okay, it doesn't smell bad. Okay, and let's see. Let me see about that. Let's see, is this full size or no? It might be. It's $10. So, okay, the Beauty Crop Blush Duo and Marvelous. It is mauve. Okay. It's not always easy to find blushes that flatter my complexion, so I tend to lean towards super bright hues. The mauve shades in a duo initially caught me off guard, but after blending them, I had a natural looking flush, something I hadn't experienced before from a blush and didn't realize was possible. The Compact 2 formula, a powder and a cream, blend out beautifully. I like using fluffy brush for the powder and use my fingers for the cream. And this is Gabriella Thorne, editorial assistant. So, yeah, and she's also, she's also dark skin tone, so I bet it would actually work really nice on skin, dark skin tone, but also it works really, this type of color can work really nice on like a porcelain skin as well. So this is actually a color that I think would work for a lot of skin tone, which I appreciate because, you know, not everybody's had the same skin tone that are getting these boxes. So beautiful. Yeah, I will definitely try this. I like it. Okay, and the last thing in my box is by True and Luscious and Super Moisture Lipstick in a box. Okay, let's take a look, or let's read about it first. Yeah, let's read about it first, because I'm just curious. Oh, lipstick. Speak of lipstick, you know, I will be doing my next declutter should be lipstick. I started kind of separating some of them out because I'm running out of room. And so I did kind of put them in a little bag so the decluttering process will go a little bit faster. So yeah, lipstick is next. So let's talk about this lipstick though. The price is $22 and it's True and Luscious Super Moisture Lipstick. It says, my lipsticks have been gathering an impressive layer of dust out in recent months until I realized they're the makeup I most enjoy putting on. Yeah, it's true. I do too. I love lipsticks. So I started building a collection of new staples like this bullet, which glides on so smoothly that I briefly thought it started melting. It is packed with hydrating ingredients, including hyaluronic acid, and has a nice dewy finish that I think looks great for all of my Zoom meetings. Yeah, I mean, I do love my lipstick, and I do like putting them on. I own a lot also, but I'm very brand loyal, so you'll see a lot of MAC. And let's see here. Yeah, here it is. This very nice kind of bullet. It would travel well. I like these things, you know. And oh yes, this is a very nice color. Again, you know, my type of shade, and I love this. And so yeah, I'm not gonna swatch it because I have so many lipsticks going, and you will see that. But I will definitely put this in my bag, especially with hyaluronic acid. Because that's a moisture barrier. You know, it helps with the moisture barrier. And my lips do get so dry, and so during the day, it would be unusual for me to not have a lip product in my pocket or sitting next to me on my desk. So yeah, so I enjoy it. So like I said, this product is $22, did I say? Yes, $22. Very agreeable. Okay, my beautiful wildflowers, that's it. But I do owe you one thing, and that is to show you sneak peek number 3. And I'm hoping that these things are going up in order, otherwise you're going to get a sneak peek in the wrong order. And so let me think about this. Okay, I've already uploaded the other video. Yeah, this one would be actually in order number 3. So hold on, let me go get it. Okay, guys, as I said, I will be showing one product per video, as long as I don't forget, so don't hold me to it, for the next giveaway, which will be when I hit 500. So this is going to be a big one. And so far, I have sneak peeked 2 products prior to this. And if you want to know what those are, you're going to have to watch the videos. And I put them in different places. Like in this one, I kind of forgot about it until the end, so it's in the end. But not all of them are going to be at the end. So it might be in the middle, it might be in the beginning, it might be, you know, whenever I think of it. And so it started, the first one, I'll give you this. First one was shown on the Friday video, okay, which is, what day is Friday? 22nd, yeah, and then there's one on 23rd, and so this should be the second one on the 23rd if I put this up on a Sunday. So yeah, you get 2 in one day. So this third, the other 2 were makeup products. So this one will be a skincare product, and this is by the Grown Alchemist, and this is a very good lotion. I have started using this personally, and I have it in my my cosmetics fridge, and I love it, and it is very nice, and it's a very nice product. I believe this retails for about $80 or $90. And here it is right here. Very nice tube. And this one here, actually the writing goes this way. So let me show it to you this way. All right. And this product is actually made in Australia. And it is a matte balancing moisturizer with acai berry and Barraco. So it's very nice, and I like it. I use it regularly, but I did buy like 2 extra tubes for the add-ons. I sent one to my daughter, and I'm adding this one actually to the giveaway. So this is sneak peek number 3. So that's that. And so my beautiful wildflowers, I hope you enjoyed the unboxing of Allure. And if I added any value, please do hit like. And if you haven't subscribed yet, please do consider subscribing because we have great fun here. And also, I do upload a video daily, you know, as long as I can. And so hopefully that will continue, God willing. And so, my beautiful wildflowers, thank you so much for spending your time with me. As I always say, that I know your time is precious, and for you to give it to me, to watch me, and really share the time with me, I feel very special. And thank you so very much. And thank you so much. And I want to try to give back as much as I can by giving you good content, giving you good, useful information, and an occasional giveaway. Okay? So my beautiful wildflowers, I hope you have a great week. And remember, don't ever sweat the small stuff. I'll see you soon. Bye-bye.